Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to be doing a little unboxing for you today. I got my Hush order in the mail. For those of you who don't know that I haven't babbled to already, Hush is an app you can get on your phone that's like Amazon for makeup. Except it's all indie brands, so it's hella cheap. See the contents of this box. $40. Think of what you can get at Sephora or Ulta or MAC for $40. And I'll show you how much stuff I got. So let's get into it. First of all, let's start with an old favorite, something I order every single time that I shop from Hush. I get my Clean Color Pro Setting Spray in the matte finish. I don't like to be shiny, I want to be matte. So, only an ounce, so I go through it pretty quick. It was $2, and it works all day. It's not sticky or heavy at all. It dries fairly quickly. It's definitely a must buy for me every time. So next up, we've got my skincare items. I love Hush for skincare. They have so many different sheet masks, so many different creams and things that you can put on your face to make it glow. So I ordered a face scrub. Usually I just use like body scrubs or whatever is super abrasive for my face because I want to get it all. I gotta get it all off. So this is a really nice brand. It's called Formula. It's okay. Let's take a little sniff, shall we? Let's open it up. Ooh, it's purple. I guess I didn't expect the inside to be purple too. It's like fake purple. So take that as it is. Yeah, it's purple. So I'm very excited to try this. It has zinc and oat, and it's used with the scrubby part is pumice. So it's really that heavy grit that I like in a facial scrub. So I'm very excited to try that. So next up on my skincare, I just bought a Dear Derm sheet mask. It's a purifying charcoal mask. Yeah, black charcoal purifying face mask. Love sheet masks. They're so easy to do. Super easy cleanup. You don't have to like peel it really off your face. You don't have to wash it off your face. You just, perfect. Sheet masks are great. Next up in skincare, oh my God, I've been dying to try this next product. It is sold out every single time I go on that app, and it wasn't this time. I think it was the first thing I even put in my cart because as soon as I saw that it was in stock, I was like, add to cart. Are the acne pimple. Put it on your little zit. And I need to go make sure the dog isn't like doing something horrible, but I'll be right back. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're not even doing anything, you're just being a freak. Okay, I'm back, sorry. So you just take out the little patch, you put it on your zit overnight, and I watched Zythel on Instagram use a product really similar. I don't know if it was the same one, but it was a pimple patch. And she peeled it off, and all the nasty stuff inside the zit just came right with it. So I'm breaking out horribly. You guys will hear how I like these very soon. Stoked AF. Pimple patches. All right, now we can get into the makeup that my skincare list is done. Don't you guys love dogs? I love dogs. Okay, so first of all, I have been on a like year-long journey of finding the makeup I want to wear on my wedding, and I've discovered NYX's lingerie lippy line. Wearing black lipstick, I feel like it makes my mouth look really tiny, and then like the butthole is super noticeable. So I like to do more like dark nudes. So I got this shade is called Honeymoon. It's a very dark, cool brown. We'll swatch for you. Just a nice, cool brown, cool nude. And then the other one I got is a much warmer, lighter tone. It is called Seduction. I don't really like wearing reds that much lately. I just feel like nude lips are really what I'm about lately. And this line, it's called Lingerie. You're getting nudes. It's great. And the formula is great. It dries pretty quickly. they build really well, so you can like do lip contours with them. I don't know what that swatch is, but there's your color. It's really similar to another one I have. They're all really similar, like when you just look at them, but then when you swatch them next to each other, they don't look anything alike. So I'm very excited to add these into my everyday collection of lipstick. Colors, you get to spin the wheel and get a free prize. Nice, very pigmented, easy on eyeliner in metallic silver. So I went, and I've been running low on my pencil eyeliner, so I went and I bought their Mellow Gel by Clean Color stick pencil eyeliner. Let's hope it goes on as easy as the silver. Run out of my Smashbox eyeliner first, but I'm excited for that day to come. And then my free gift this time was pretty much the same thing I got last time, only in gold. Ooh, yeah, that goes on just as nice as the silver. And last but